In today's video, we're diving into the world of car maintenance with 6 essential tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly and reliably. From basic maintenance tasks to preventative measures, we've got you covered. So let's get started on maximizing the lifespan and performance of your car. Number 1. Regular oil changes. Engine oil serves as a crucial lubricant for the intricate moving parts within an engine, playing a pivotal role in reducing friction and heat generation. Adhering to the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals is paramount for maintaining engine health and performance. Typically, these intervals range from every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for conventional oil and can extend up to 10,000 miles for synthetic oil, depending on driving conditions and vehicle specifications. Over time, engine oil becomes contaminated with dirt, debris, and combustion byproducts, which can compromise its effectiveness as a lubricant. Additionally, oil undergoes thermal breakdown and loses its viscosity, further reducing its ability to protect engine components. Number 2. Check fluid levels. Regularly monitoring your car's fluid levels, such as coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid, is essential for maintaining optimal performance and safety. Low fluid levels can lead to a range of issues, including overheating, transmission problems, brake failure, or steering issues. By regularly checking and maintaining your car's fluid levels, you can help prevent potential issues and ensure your vehicle operates safely and reliably. If you're unsure about how to check or top up your car's fluid levels, consult a qualified mechanic or refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for guidance. Number 3. Inspect tires. Using a tire pressure gauge, ensure that your tires are inflated to the recommended PSI, pounds per square inch, as specified in your owner's manual or on the driver's side door jamb. Proper tire pressure helps optimize fuel efficiency, traction, and overall handling. Look for any uneven tread wear, bulges, cuts, or other abnormalities that may indicate potential issues. To promote even tire wear and extend the lifespan of your tires, it's recommended to rotate them every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. This helps maximize the longevity of your tires and ensures consistent performance across all 4 wheels. Number 4. Replace air filters. These filters prevent dirt, dust, pollen, and other debris from entering critical components, ensuring optimal operation and air quality. For the engine air filter, it's recommended to check and replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently if you frequently drive in dusty or polluted environments. A clogged or dirty engine air filter can restrict airflow to the engine, leading to decreased fuel efficiency, reduced engine performance, and potential damage over time. Regular replacement of the engine air filter helps ensure proper engine function and prolongs the life of engine components. Number 5. Inspect brakes. Regularly inspecting your brake system is essential for maintaining safe driving conditions and reliable braking performance, including checking brake pad thickness, examining brake rotor condition, and monitoring brake fluid levels. Be alert for warning signs such as squealing noises, pulsating brakes, or a soft brake pedal, as these may indicate brake issues requiring immediate attention. If you notice any abnormalities, have your brakes inspected by a professional mechanic to diagnose and address any potential problems promptly. Number 6. Maintain battery health regularly. Checking your car battery is essential to ensure reliable starting power and electrical system operation. Inspect the battery for signs of corrosion, loose connections, and a weakened charge, and clean any corrosion from the terminals using a wire brush and baking soda solution. Tighten any loose connections to ensure a secure fit, and monitor the battery's voltage regularly using a multimeter or battery tester. Consider replacing the battery every 3 to 5 years, depending on its age and condition, to avoid unexpected failures. By practicing preventive maintenance and staying vigilant for signs of battery deterioration, you can extend the life of your car battery and ensure peace of mind on the road. In conclusion, implementing these 6 essential car maintenance tips can go a long way in ensuring the longevity, reliability, and safety of your vehicle. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle not only performs better, but also provides you with peace of mind on the road. So, make these practices a part of your routine, and your car will thank you with years of smooth and trouble-free driving. Thank you for watching. Your Engine Junkie Team.